What if military systems could stay connected, powered, and mission ready even in the harshest environments under extreme vibration, temperature, and electromagnetic stress? The military wiring harness market is quietly becoming a critical backbone of modern defense system as armed forces increasingly rely on highly connected platforms from armored vehicles and fighter aircraft to naval vessels, drones, and missile systems. These harnesses ensure reliable electrical and signal transmission across complex defense electronics where failure is not an option. At its core, the market includes highly engineered cable assemblies such as power wiring harnesses, signal and data harnesses, RF and coaxial harnesses, high temperature resistance harness, and fiber optic harness systems, all designed to withstand extreme mechanical stress, EMI shielding requirements, and mission-critical reliability standards. Growth in this market is driven by rising defense modernization programs, increasing adoption of electronic warfare systems, next-generation avionics, and the rapid expansion of unmanned platforms such as UAVs and autonomous ground vehicles. For industry leaders like TE Connectivity, Amphenol Corporation, the opportunity lies in developing next-generation wire transmission systems that deliver high data transmission speeds, improved electromagnetic shielding, and greater resilience for multi-domain battlefield environments.